What's up, folks? We are in Coron. Made it here yesterday on the ferry. This is my man Chris.
What's going on, guys?
Cat from Melbourne. We are island hopping around Coron today. Hopefully find some cliff jumping.
Sure, mate.
Something we haven't really done yet. But first we got to grab our own lunch. Usually they'll cook lunch for you and buy it themselves, but in Coron they force you to go to the markets, which is kind of cool. What are you looking at?
The lovely fish.
Whoa!
You like this?
And we got some limes, tomatoes, beans, carrot, chili, garlic, onions, ginger, and a potato for Chris.
We are on for lunch. Check this out. Chris has just whipped us up a fresh lunch.
This is wood for the fish.
Yeah!
Oh, he's made a little dressing. That's a big yawn. It is currently 5:15. Bright and early here in Coron. The amigos Fuck, that's loud. The amigos are just waiting for a couple of companions to do a little sunrise trek this morning. Not as hectic as the one we did in El Nido, but hopefully we get a nice view over the town and a good little sunrise.
And I know you're naive, but you know that you can be sugar under your skin. But the way that you did it, and you're doing it, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real?
Today is the 27th of May, which is my birthday. It's also my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, old boy. Today I'm still in Coron and I'm gifting myself diving for my birthday present. Because I haven't dived in a long time, last time I dived was a birthday present from my dad 5 years ago in Gilly T. He took me to Nido and his present was my PADI license, open water, and I just haven't dived since. The other places I've travelled, it hasn't really been the most appealing thing to do. So here in Coron there are some amazing World War II shipwrecks, some quite shallow, some really deep. So today I have to do a refresher dive because it's been a long time since I've dived, so it's probably a safe thing to do. It was 3,800 for 2 dives. So get a refresher dive in some shallow water, and then in the afternoon we're going to do a deeper dive, probably to a wreck around 15 meters, so should be pretty cool. Managed to get a GoPro at the last minute this morning on the way to where we are now, which is Discovery Island. Only a little bit pricey for a GoPro rental, but gotta cop it, gotta show you guys the wrecks. Alright, see you soon.